Hello everyone, I'm Shonul Habib, a UI/UX designer from Bangladesh. First of all, thank you very much to the ACKLEN Avenue to give me such an opportunity. So I have been tasked for two things. First of all, a design period and a coding challenge. Let's go to the coding challenge. Here is the coding challenge period where I have to fix something. In the part, we can see the make this responsive and the most important stories are overlapping, and here will be a image that is not shown and the sub stories are not fixed. If we change the windows, it is not responsive. We can also change the views, but it is not responsive. So let's see how we solve the code. In the code part, we fix the issue. So how we fix the issue, let's see. So in the HTML part, we have create a new division. We have created a new division in the HTML part and call a class called responsive text. In the division, either we can call IDs or class. So we call a class called responsive text. And the CSS part, we create a class called responsive text. And in this responsive text, we write the text align change to center, which helps to these two lines make this responsive and while maintaining the hierarchy importance in the center align of this page. And we also make the color to the black theme. Now in the next part, we also create another division and call main story body. In the main story body, which define in the CSS class that the width will be the 100%. So the picture and other things, the main storyboard will take the 100% of its area. And then we go to the in the image section, we fix the link image search link which was given in the image docs, and we copy the image source link from there and paste it here, which helps to load the image. In the another image section, we added www, which helps the image to load. Now come to the CSS part. In the CSS part, we also added something. First of all, in the page wrap class, we added the width 100%. The width 100% has been changed because it helps the content to take the 100% of its area. We also added 10 pixel margin to the right, and then we go to the image section where we also change the width to 100% so that the image now can take 100% width of it. Then we also change the heading 1 and heading 1 and 2 margin. So the heading 1 font size changed to the 4 viewport width, which helps to responsive the text. Now you can see that it is when we increase the window size or decrease the window size, the text either increase or decrease and not overlapping. So in the font size, we also added 2 viewport width, and the story intro heading we also change the font size to 2.5 viewport width, so that now all the text can be as increase and decrease. So it's all the texts are responsive. Now in the sub stories we added a flex. So what flex do? It's make like a container all these sub stories section and justify the content into the center. And we also added the overflow or hidden, so the overflow is not shown here. In the sub story we added the float to left and the width will be take 30% of it. So each of these sub-stories will take now 30% width of these areas or of these windows. And we also added margin to 1%, position will be relative, and font size is changed to 1.6 viewport width. So that's how we solve the problem, and you can see the website is now responsive and it don't overlap anything and it looks very nice. We changed the background color and the text color so it looks more appealing and the style is already so far good. So that's for all my challenge. Thank you very much for your time.